Hello and welcome again to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Linux Mint, the latest version. Okay, so this is their official website. If you type Linux Mint on the any search engine, I'm using Google. So if you type Linux Mint over here, then it will take you this particular website www.linuxmint.com. Okay, so we are going to click on this. This is their official website. We are on the home page, so you can see the latest version right now is the Wilma Linux Mint 22. So we are going to download it. If you need any instruction, then you can follow this installation instruction. You can see all the details are like described over here very clearly. Like if you need any help to choose the right edition, then you can see which option is suitable for you. Like if you want to use cinnamon or like mate or like express, whichever you wanted in your system, these are the desktop environment, so you can download this. So in our case we are going to download this one. You can see it's saying that latest version and it's recommended. So if you click on the download button, it will be showing like this. So if you click over here, it will take you to the download option. Okay, it's saying ready to download. I can also see it's saying that Linux Mint is available in different flavors. Choose an edition below. Okay, so there are many options, like this is for the cinnamon edition. Okay, this is for the express edition, and this is for the matte edition. So we are going to download this one. Okay, so click over here, and once you click, you can see the file size is 2.7 gig. So if you scroll down, these are the download mirrors. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, and if you click over here, the installation will be begun. So the thing is, I have already downloaded the ISO file. So on my virtual machine, I have already created the virtual box. Okay, if you wanted to know how you can do that, you can like watch my video. I have already created a separated video that how you can create a virtual machine on Oracle VirtualBox. So it's open source and it's good. So let me run this VirtualBox. Okay, so we are inside of the Linux Mint like welcome image. So you can see it's saying that welcome to Linux Mint 2264-bit. So you can select all the options, like you can select the start Linux Mint. Okay, or you can see the compatibility mode. You can use this also. This is for the manufacturer, like OEM install. Okay, and the hardware detect, boot from local drive, memory test, all the other options. So we are going to select the first one. So press enter on that. Now it will load the ISO file. Okay, so once you click on that, now we are inside of the Mint desktop environment. So you can see this is the Mint. Okay, so you can see their preview, like before installing the operating system, Linux give you the feature that you can go through the operating system, how it's going to be look like and how it's going to be after you install. So unlike the Windows, you can see a preview before installing it. So if you click on the file manager, it will open the file manager. You can see how the file manager look like. So it's based on the Ubuntu. So if you already familiar with Ubuntu, so you maybe know. So this is how. Okay, you can also see their other settings, like how their setting menu is look like. So you can see all the details. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on this install Linux Mint. So double click on that and it will open the installation wizard. Okay, so as you can see, the installation wizard is now open. So it's asking us to select the language first, so I'm going to leave it on the by default, but you can choose whatever language you are preferred. They have many language options available. Okay, so I'm going to select the by default English. So let's continue. Now it's asking to choose the keyboard layout, so I'm going to leave it on default, but if you wanted to like make changes on your keyboard layout, we can do that, or you can detect it from here. You can detect your keyboard layout from here. So let's continue. Okay, now it's asking us for the multimedia codecs. So this multimedia codecs is like it's required to play some video format properly and render some websites. Okay, so I'm going to choose yes, then continue. You can also do this after the operating system installed. So, or you can select it at the beginning of the installation. So I'm going to select continue. Now it's preparing the Ubuntu drivers. Okay, so if you have the Ethernet connected with your computer, make sure you select it. So as you can see, my system is connected to the Ethernet port. So now it's asking for the installation type. I had already installed the Linux Mint on this particular virtual box. Okay, that's why it's saying that it is Linux Mint and then reinstall it. But to install it freshly, I'm going to select this erase disk and install Linux Mint. So this will delete all your program, documents, photos, music and the other files in one operating system. Okay, so make sure you do not have any data in your storage device where you are trying to install it. So I'm going to select this and then install now. So now it's saying the write the changes to this. So basically it's saying that the hard drive is going to be deleted completely. Okay, and it will be creating this particular partition which is already like available in this virtual box is going to be deleted and these are going to be created. So I don't have any important data on this particular storage device. I just have given them to the virtual drive. So I'm going to select continue. Okay, now it's asking for the location for the time zone. So you have to select where you are from. So it's already selected on my particular location. Okay, so if you are from a different region, then you can select it from here. So let's continue. Now it's asking for your personal information. So you can put the name. Okay, like you can put your name, the computer name that you're going to use. So I'm going to type Innovate IT Lab, and over here also I'm going to give the username. So this is your own name. Okay, this is your computer name that going to be like happen. This is the username that you are going to use to log in, and this is for the password. So make sure to put a good password. For now I'm typing just 1234569, but this is not a good habit to using this kind of password. This is just a virtual machine and I'm doing this video to just demonstrate how to install the Linux Mint operating system. That's why I'm using it, but using this kind of password, it's not a good habit. So let's continue. Now as you can see, it's copying the files. If you like see over here, it's copying the file. You can see each and every process is going to be done over here. So you can see like all the features that Mint have already. So you can see all the details, like this is for their applications for playing videos. Okay, each and everything. So if you click on this particular dot, you can see there is a arrow. So if you click over here, you can see the real-time process that's are going on right now. So you can see it's doing all the things, like it's right now it's copying the files from my ISO image and to the hard drive, then it's going to be installed on that. So as you can see, the installation is now completed. So what we are going to do, we are going to reboot our system now. So click on the restart now. Okay, so now it's saying please remove the installation medium. So if you're using any kind of pen drive or any kind of storage device to install the operating system in your current PC, so then you have to remove your installation media at this time. So I'm using a virtual box, so it's going to be automatically removed. Okay, so as you can see, the welcome page is now appeared. So this is the login page. So we are going to put the password that we have entered that time and then hit enter. So now as you can see, the Linux Mint is now installed, and this is the welcome page. So you can check this is the welcome screen that will guide you through your first steps. So you can see the basic informations over here, like you can change the desktop color, you can take this system snapshot. Okay, so these things, if you don't know about this thing, so it's same like creating the system restore point in Windows. Okay, and this is for the drive manager, this is for the update manager, system setting, system manager, system setting, software manager, firewall, each and everything. Okay, over here you will find the documentations, and if you need any kind of help, you can check out their web form or like the chat room. So let's close this. So this is the background look like, this is the desktop layout look like in Cinnamon edition. So if you right click this, you can see this is the Linux main context menu. So this is the application menu. You maybe see, it's very easy to use. If you're coming from Windows, then this particular operating system might be a good option for you if you're trying to dive into the Linux community, and then this thing is going to be a good version for you. So you can see all the details, like if you click on the applications, all the applications are installed on this Linux Mint will be appeared. This is for the graphical applications. Okay, this is for the accessories. So let me open the terminal first. So this is the terminal look like, and a part of the Windows, this particular thing is great. Like if you press Ctrl Shift and T, you can open multiple tab over here. As you can see, I have opened my multiple tab. Like this is a multi tab I have opened. There is another tab. I can create another tab or another tabs. Okay, this is their file manager. So the file manager is really like a smooth and clean. You can see all the documents and the files, like this is for the desktop, this is for the documents, same like Windows. Okay, so if you're coming from Windows, this is not going to be very hard, it's very easy. It's designed that way that Windows user can use this without any problem. So this is your home folder, this is the desktop. Okay, this is the document, this is the music. They also provide the connect to server. It's common in Linux. Okay, if you ever use Linux, so this is very common. You can connect your servers in your network through this particular things, connect to server. You can select server IP over here, server ports. Okay, which port you are going to connect, which protocol you are going to use. Like if you want to use SSH, if you want to use FTP, public FTP, Windows share. Okay, each and everything you can select from here, or you can mention the path also. This is also good. You can see the file manager menu. It's also easy, and it's helpful unlike the Windows. So this is the terminal. As I mentioned, you can also customize the terminal. Unlike the Windows, it's Linux lets you to customize your terminal as per your needs. So if I go to the setting, okay, you can see this is the preference for the particular command line. So if you go to the edit, then select the preference option, it will come like that. And this is the profile. You can create multiple profile if you like. This is the shortcuts that you need. Okay, and this is the general setting, like if you want it on the dark style or you want it on the light style. Okay, you can select from here. From here we can do more things, like let me change the color. So you maybe see this particular thing. So if I select transparency, and if I select this transparent background, okay, I can make it something from here to something like this. It will be completely transparent. So these things are good. You can see all the other options, like if you want to use a bold icon, okay, you can change the theme from here. Like if you wanted to use the genome dark, or if you want to genome light, okay, you can choose this option from here. So let me open this setting first. Okay, so this is the system setting menu. So you can see all the options are over here. Like this is for the accessibility, account details. Okay, this is for general setting. So let me make some changes. Let me click on the background first. Okay, then you can see all the backgrounds that Linux is providing by defaults are here. So you can change them. Like if I wanted to use this or something like this or something like this, it will completely change background picture. so you can use this. They also provide the software manager, so if you wanted to download any software, you can directly download from here. Like just go to the application menu, then click on this software manager, and it will open all the softwares are available. You can install from here. For an example, let's say I wanted to use the VirtualBox, then you can click on the VirtualBox and you can install that particular application from here. On the setting menu, you can find all the other details, like this is for the Windows behavior, and this is for the color, network manager, system info. This is for the administration, like the driver manager, the firewall, each and other thing. So you can change the theme also. If I go to the theme, then if I click on the mix, then it will be on the dark mode. Okay, this is for the light mode if you want to use light mode, and this is the mix. It will combine the like a dark mode and white mode in the same time. Okay, I mean dark mode and light mode. So you can do this. You can change the color from here. If you let me change the green color, so what it will do, it will change all the color from here, something like this. So it will be easy to demonstrate. So if I change the color from here, it will also change the folder icon color. So it's amazing in a way, because you can customize your whole computer. This is the power of Linux, like they let you do each and everything. There is no restriction. You can do whatever you like with Linux. They don't give you any kind of restriction. Okay, so you can make the changes from here. If you wanted to change the theme, you can do this or something like this. Okay, so this is how actually you install the Linux Mint. So if you find this video any helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. I do make this kind of content on my channel weekly. So thank you for watching and have a nice day, and I'm going to see you to another video.